your notes page 3. So let's do some of the questions. So as you can see that n is under the standard normal distribution. Okay, so we can check the table directly. So for part A, you have to find out the probability that when z is larger than 2. Okay, so 2 would be somewhere here. So I want to find out the probability that larger than 2. So if you check the table, you will get the number, okay, is 0.4772, and this number is between 0 and 2. OK， 呢一個數字咧係由0開始去到2嘅，即係代表咧，如果你 check table 嘅話咧，佢係俾呢一塊嘅 area 嚟。咁呢一塊咧就你 check table 咧就係0.4772。OK， 咁而家咧你就想揾咧係呢一塊黑色嘅地方。Okay, so I think this one should be easy. So the probability would be 0.5 minus 0.4772. So press the calculator. You will get the answer is 0.228. So this is part A. And then part B, the question asks you to find out the probability that z is smaller than 1.32. So 1.32, and the question would like to find out the whole area. So again, so let's check the table. So if you check the table, 1.32 would be this number. And it indicates that, okay, this part, okay, starting from 0, this part is 0.4066. And how about this part? Okay, this part is 0.5, 啱啱好係一半啦。So z smaller than 1.32 would be equals to 0.5 plus 0.4066. So the answer would be 0.9066. Okay, and then part C. Okay, you have to find out the probability that z is larger than negative 0.34. Okay, so would be somewhere here. So if you check the table, 0.34 would be somewhere here. 咁table 咧俾咗你嘅呢個 value 咧，就會係 positive 0.34， 即係呢一 part 啦。咁但係咧 ，OK， 由於佢係 symmetrical 嘅關係咧，咁即係話咧呢一邊 negative 0.34 咧，呢一邊嘅 area 咧都會係一樣咧，係0.1331嘅。咁所以咧呢一 part 咧就係0.1331。咁然之後咧呢一邊咧就好 obvious 啦，因為佢係半個，咁係0.5。咁所以咧 part C the answer would be 0.1331 plus 0.5, so would be 0.6331。咁你見到咧，你係 check table 嘅話咧 ，OK， 由於個 table 咧係永遠都由0開始。OK， 直到去你要查嗰個 table 嘅嗰個位置啦。咁所以咧呢一橛咧嘅 area 咧，你係 check table 嘅。咁但係佢唔係淨係會問你呢一橛嘅，佢有機會會問你呢邊。咁你就要將咧成個0.5減走呢 part。佢亦都有機會咧，就係問你呢一橛，咁所以咧你就要計完 check 咗 table 之後咧，就要加0.5 ，OK， 加翻呢一部分。又或者咧，好似喺呢個 case 咁，佢會有機會負數嘅，咁你咧就要將咧嗰個 positive 0.34你 check table 咧，你要記得係 symmetrical 嘅，咁即係咧左手邊都係一樣係同一個 value。 咁然之後咧就加翻呢一撇，呢一撇咧亦都係一樣係0.5。咁其實咧都係一啲好簡單嘅填補法啊，或者係切割法嘅啫。OK， 咁我相信咧你哋 Form 1計 area 應該都好熟悉㗎啦。Okay, part D. You have to find out negative 1.96, so it should be somewhere here. And then z is smaller than this value, so you have to check the table. So you will find out that the answer is 0.4750. And remember, okay, this value means that it is between 0 and also positive 1.96. Okay, this part is 0.4750, which also means that, okay, this one is also 0.4750 because they are symmetrical. So which will give you, okay, the answer would be 0.5. Okay, that means this part, okay, 呢度一半啦，呢度呢一橛啦。OK 0.5減走咗呢一 part minus 0.4750. So the final answer would be 0.025. So this is part D. And then for part E, the question asks you to find out, okay, 0.2 and 0.32. So this time you have to check two value. So 0.32, you will get the value is here. Okay, which means that this part is 0.1255. And then 0.2, if you check the table, is this number, so which means that this part is 0.0793. Okay, so if now I want to ask you, how about this part? So this one would be obvious.大嘅 area 即係紅色嘅部分啦 0.1255 and then minus OK 細塊嘅藍色嘅部分 OK so press the calculator you will get the answer 0.0462 and then for part F so negative 2.31, negative 1.45。咁你會發現咧，呢一條咧就同呢一條係好似樣嘅。你其實可以將咧呢一橛咧係反過嚟嘅。咁兩邊嘅 area 咧其實都係一樣，因為 symmetrical 嘅關係啦。咁其實呢一條咧就 exactly 會係呢一條啦。咁所以咧，你可以咧試一試做，咁唔好俾佢有 negative 就嚇親咯。咁其實咧呢兩條係一樣嘅。咁自己 stop 呢個 video 一陣試一試自己計咯喎。咁check table 啦。OK，check 到呢一度呢一橛嘅 area， 同埋 check 到呢一度嘅 area 啦，然後將大嘅嗰塊減細嗰塊啦。跟住咧，我撳 calculator 咧就會 get 到 final answer 咧係 0.0631。So this is part F. Part G. So the question asks you to find out the probability that between negative 0.31 and also 1.45. So which means that this part. Okay, so you can check the table again. So if you check the table 0.31, you will get 0.1217. So which means that, okay, between this part, it should be 0.1217. Okay, 咁啊，我唔再畫啦，因為咧其實呢邊就即係呢一邊啦。OK， 可以咁樣flip 過去嘅，咁所以呢一橛咧就可以 check table 揾到啦。咁跟住咧就係另外嗰橛咧就係1.45嘅。So 1.45. If I check the table, I will have this number. So which means that this part is 0.4265. So I think the answer should be easy. You just add them up. So if you press the calculator, you will get the answer 0.5482. So this is part G. Okay, and then the last question in this video. Okay, so negative 0.32 and also 0.6. So the question is asking you smaller than, okay, which means this part, or z is larger than, that means this part. So if you check the table, 0.32, so you will get 0.1255, so would be this number. Okay, so this number, it means that this part would be 0.1255. Okay. 咁唔好介意，我再氹氣講一次啦。Check table 咧就係由0咧係去到0.32嘅，咁所以咧0.1255咧就係講緊呢一 part。咁咧由於佢係 symmetrical 嘅關係咧，咁所以咧呢一橛咧都係0.1255。OK， 咁 that's why 我就話咧呢一 part 係0.1255。咁所以咧 set smaller than negative 0.32 or z is larger than 0.6， 所以左手邊嗰塊咧就會係0.5，即係呢度半塊啦。然之後減走咗呢一 part， 即係咧係減走咗0.1255。咁呢一橛咧就會係左手邊呢一 part 啦。咁跟住咧就要加埋咧右手邊嘅呢一個 area 啦。咁又係一樣 check table 啦。0.6， 咁你 check table 咧就會見到係0.2257嘅，咁即係代表咧就係呢一橛咧就係0.2257。咁又係一樣啦，呢度一半咧係0.5，減走翻呢一橛咧就會係呢邊嘅答案。咁跟住又係一樣咧係撳 calculator 啦，咁跟住咧我撳到嘅答案咧就會係0.6488。OK， 咁跟住咧就輪到你哋做數嘅時候啦。OK，so that's it for this video.